I decided to conduct an experiment this morning on my walk. For the first 30 minutes, I walked with my earpods in, listening to music. And for the second 30 minutes, I walked without any earpods, any music. For the first 30 minutes, I was listening to the music, thoughts coming and going of what I was listening to, and of other thoughts, all sorts of different thoughts, to the point where it was kind of like bordering on confusion. For the second 30 minutes, however, the difference was so clear. The connection with the air, the connection with the trees. It's as if I could hear nature. It's as if I could hear the trees talking without making a sound. Me explaining it right now may not even be doing it any justice. It may just be something that you personally have to experience for yourself. There's something about silence, especially silence in nature. If you ever want to clear your mind, if you ever want to improve your mood, try taking a walk out in nature. The more trees you're around, the better. If there's a lake, that's perfect. That's the perfect environment to really connect with yourself, to really let go of all your doubts and fears. The perfect environment to ask questions, the perfect environment, even better than asking questions, it is the perfect environment for getting answers. Just go out in nature, start walking, look at the trees, look at the sky, listen to the birds, look at the water if there's a lake or a river. This is my experience. This has been my experience. Really. You see, sometimes we get caught up in all of the distractions, which is another thing that this experiment reinforced, because this is something I've always known, but this has solidified that knowledge. We are inundated with so many distractions. Distractions are all around us. And these distractions only serve to pull us further and further away from ourselves, pull us further and further away from the source. I like to use self and source interchangeably because I believe that I'm one with source. I am a part of source, and source is a part of me. And these distractions are only there to create a barrier or a separation between self. That connection between self and source. It is not as hard as we think. There are some people who struggle with quieting the mind. Quieting the mind, from my experience, is no different from letting go of your need for control, letting go of what you really have no control over. We use a lot of energy, too much energy, trying to control what we really cannot control. And if we try to control what we cannot control, this is really not serving us. It's actually working against us. We should try to determine what will serve to make us better, help us grow, and focus on that. So the rain is starting to come down. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm smiling as I'm speaking because I feel great. I'm in a good mood. I didn't start out this way. I did not start out my walk this way. Here I am. Beautiful feeling. Beautiful. Beautiful. So try it. If you're ever feeling down, if you're ever feeling unclear in your thoughts, you feel like you're stuck, ideas are not flowing the way you want them to, take a stroll out in nature. No headphones, no earphones, no AirPods, and just look around. Be aware of your surroundings. Look at the trees, look at the sky, feel the breeze and or the sun on your skin. Come back and tell me about it. Peace to you always.